Hey, how you doing today? Today we're over here on the F150. I have a brake leak. And before I get too much into this, I should put some jack stands up in here. I just wanted to get the video started. Well, I pulled my tire off. I filled up my master cylinder with fluid, and that's the best way to find your leak. This one's been sitting for a little while, but you can see everything's nice and wet under there. All nice and brake fluidy. Look at that, that's all full brake fluid. Dripping down over to there. So we got, right there, we got wet hoses. And up in here, let's see what we got up here. Kind of trying to, maybe I can find a I had the flashlight right in hand. A little wet out here today. Wet and muddy. But what can I see in there? Can I see anything? No. What can I see there? Well, it looks like it goes into that piece of frame, and that's leaking like a bastard. But let me see what I can see from here. Not too much, huh? There, it's probably gonna turn upside down and shit, but okay, well, that was a little exploratory, but